Are you looking for the best treadmills under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7718. The Sunny Health SFT 7718 provides a combination of great quality performance with practical folding capabilities. The low-profile deck on the treadmill provides remarkable stability, as the lower center of gravity gives you greater confidence to run at faster speeds of up to 9 miles per hour. Since the deck of the SFT 7718 is low to the ground, the experience will make you feel like you are running outdoors. The shock absorbers fitted into the design provides the necessary protection for your joints, giving that great balance of traditional treadmill joint protection with the feel of outdoor running. The construction of the SFT 7718 is designed perfectly for homeowners wanting to invest in their own personal gym space. Its sleek, compact, and foldable design, which contrasts the more traditional, bulky treadmills, ensures that it can be easily maneuvered into tight spaces. The running deck of the SFT 7718 is also wide, measuring at 48x20w inches, which also ensures more comfortable performance that is less restricting compared to treadmills with narrower running decks. Crucial to modern treadmills are the added extras that can enhance your running experience. The SFT 7718 has no shortage in added accessories, including a built-in speaker system and media port where you can plug in your phone to listen to your favorite tunes and amplify them all around your gym. In addition, the treadmill also comes with a tablet holder measuring 4.5x10 inches that can easily hold any tablet or mobile device, allowing you to watch your favorite movies while working out. At number 2. Gymax Cardio Folding Exercise Treadmill. The Gymax Cardio Folding Exercise Treadmill is a foldable treadmill that offers great storage capability within any gym-loving home. Comprising of a 16.5W x50L running belt which is able to incline anywhere between 0 to 15%, the Gymax treadmill allows you burn more calories, get increased muscle tone and strengthen your endurance. Built into the Gymax treadmill design is a quality shock absorption system that provides all the necessary protection for your joints and bones, with absorbers placed on either side of the treadmill belt to give you balanced protection. The Gymax foldable treadmill is fitted with a large multifunction LCD display which provides you with all the essential information that you need to know when working out, including heart rate, speed, time, distance and calories burned. The most advanced feature of the Gymax treadmill is the G-Fit Bluetooth connection. This means that you connect any fitness application to the treadmill via Bluetooth connection to ensure your personal trainer can be kept up to date with your progress as well as be able to keep you track with your own health report and fitness goals. The treadmill is fitted with 2.5 horsepower motor which can produce speeds between 0.5 to 9 miles per hour. The horsepower is also more than sufficient to be able to deliver speed, interval and endurance training. There are also 12 different programs to choose from, offering a decent variety to runners. The Gymax foldable treadmill is really ideal for runners who wish to explore all types of training. At number 3. Fitness Reality 2045 TRE 2500. For those who a very compact treadmill that is really easy to store inside your home, the TRE 2500 by Fitness Reality is a perfect choice. Fitted with great accessories such as foldable accessory holders and an LCD display, the TRE 2500 has been designed to give a great user experience and easy storage. Many treadmills are very large and clunky and are simply too large to fit inside your home. The TRE 2500 contains transportation wheels to aid transportation. This, combined with a thin running deck, enables it to be easily fitted into small spaces in rooms. The speed options are quite limited on the TRE 2500, ranging from 2 to 5 miles per hour. This may seem inadequate for higher speed runners, but for those more interested in slow endurance running or speed walking, these speed options will be fine. There are 4 quick speed buttons on the display which can be customized to your own preferred pace. A great feature of the TRE 2500 is the quiet drive. As the speed options are not explosive, the sound of the drive when rotating is minimal. This is perfect when in a room with a television or radio, as the sound won't be interrupted by the treadmill. Perfect for those who want to exercise without making too much noise. Measuring at 13 inches wide, the TRE 2500 is much thinner than other treadmills in the below $500 market. The maximum weight it can bear is 220 pounds, which is a decent weight and inclusive of the majority of running enthusiasts. At number 4. XTERRA Fitness TR150. The TR150 treadmill by XTERRA provides a great combination of high-quality performance with practicality, as it can be easily folded up and stored. The TR150 is at the premium end of the below $500 treadmill market and certainly contains some advanced specifications that mark it out. The TR150 comes fitted with a variety of add-ons including a book rack and various accessory holders that can fit your tablet, books and remote controls. These facilities are perfect if you want to watch the TV while working out. The TR150 has a long-running surface measuring at 16x50. This added length is perfect for those who have long running strides. Although the width is not as wide as rival treadmills, it should feel wide enough for most runners to be comfortable. Should you require extra stability, the TR150 comes fitted with handlebars which contain hand grip pulse sensors to measure your heart rate. The TR150 is ideal for speed merchants. Ranging up to 10 miles per hour, you can certainly travel at a rapid pace on this treadmill, which is powered by a 2.25 horsepower motor. This in combination with customizable quick speed touch buttons is great for runners interested in interval training, as it ensures a quick transition between speeds. For those who struggle with joint pain, the TR150 is one of the best affordable treadmills to protect the wearing joints. Fitted with XTERRA soft cushion deck technology, the TR150 shock absorption far exceeds rivals, ensuring a safe and injury-free running experience. At number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400. The SFT 4400 treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness is a foldable treadmill that can be easily transported and stored in small spaces in a house. Fitted with all the classic features such as an LCD screen, transportation wheels and handrail controls, this treadmill is perfect for runners looking at affordable options for a home treadmill workout. The SFT 4400 is constructed with a 2.2 horsepower drive system that can generate speeds between 0.5 to 9 miles per hour. In addition, there are 3 running levels to choose from. 0% is the flat running option with 2% and 4.37% providing a good level of incline for runners to burn more calories and strengthen their endurance. The SFT 4400 comes with 9 built-in workout programs to give you a sufficient variety of choice if you prefer completing a pre-selected workout. One of the best features of the SFT 4400 is the handrail controls, which allows you to easily control the speed. The pause function is particularly useful as you can momentarily stop your workout and keep your running stats intact before returning. There is nothing worse than accidentally deleting your stats. The SFT 4400 ensures that this will not happen. Running stats are displayed on the LCD screen and include time, distance, heart rate, pulse, and calories burned. The treadmill can easily manage up to 220 pounds weight, and the running belt is 48.8 L x 15.75 W, which is great for runners with long strides. Those who prefer wider running surfaces may find the SFT 4400 too slim fit.